the first one, a cold or flu with sudden and violent onset. Pains are throbbing and pulsating. The face may be red and hot and they feel worse around 3 p.m. Belladonna. Remedy for cuts or wounds with nerve damage, especially the fingers and toes. Pain shoot upwards as if along the nerve. Hypericum, yeah. Hypericum is the remedy I would give. Anything else? Anybody get another remedy? First aid remedy. It may be useful in any one of the following situations: accident, trauma, birth, surgical operations, dental treatment, anywhere where there is bruising or trauma. Everybody kind of knows that, arnica, but let's just do it. So what we do is we look under the common complaints, and you'll see bumps and bruises, and you'll go to page 20, and you'll see that there is more than one remedy. There's arnica, there's ledum, there's phosphorus, there's ruta, and some phyton. So what you do is you would look down through